Greetings and salutations. In this video, I want to show you how to operate a transport wheelchair, manual wheelchair. And this particular one is a Medline, but it doesn't really matter what kind you have. They pretty much operate the same way. They fold the same way and everything. So simply with this one, this is a Medline, the only thing you have to do to collapse it and fold it is push it really firmly like this, and make sure that these are pointed up, and then you just wheel it like this. There's brakes on the front wheels. The only thing you have to do, rather the back wheels, there's brakes. The only thing you have to do is to turn on the brakes, is this, push that forward, and this little thing will groove against the wheel. So you just push both of those forward, and you can see there it won't move. Your patient is in there that can't move. And of course, to undo that, you just simply just lift back up here. This particular thing will fold back, so the only thing you have to do is there's two little clips here, is push down on it at the same time and put your weight into it. And so if it's for a larger person, you can go back, you go all the way back this way, which is pretty cool. Okay. The legs here, you can move those out of the way, and to move them out of the way, these part here where you can put the patient's feet, we'll put their feet on here. There's little cuffs here that will go around their legs. Same thing here, there's a seat belt here as well, which is pretty self-explanatory. And to move these little footrests away, the only thing you have to do is right here, there's two clips here. Just push this forward like that. Same thing with this one. And that way their feet can be to the side here, and you can clip this and strap it to where it will not move, and this actually will come off, which is pretty cool. Alright, if you have any questions, put it in the comment section. You can actually get this off of Amazon for like only 120 bucks. And I'll put in the comment section the link to where you can get off of Amazon for 120 bucks. But it's very affordable. It will hold up to about 250 pounds. Will not hold patients more than 250. So just keep that in mind. Alright, thanks so much for watching. And make sure you subscribe. Again, this particular one on Amazon is a Medline. And again, I'll put that in the comment section.